Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, 8GB Wi-Fi tablet. Play games, browse the internet, and help your kids learn with the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. This 7-inch tablet features a lightweight design and a long-lasting battery, making it easy to take it anywhere. It offers 2 cameras for taking photos and videos and a microSD card slot, 3, for adding memory. It comes with a built-in radio app and access to many others through Samsung Galaxy Essentials. The Samsung Galaxy is lightweight, portable design, expandable memory to store photos, music, and movies, long-lasting battery for hours of use. Add educational content with Samsung Kids. Capture memories with dual built-in cameras. Tune into FM radio. At a glance, slim, lightweight design for portability. Ideal for browsing, reading, and gaming. Delivers up to 11 hours of battery life per charge. Add memory with 3 microSD card slot and includes dual cameras for photos and videos. Get yours now. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price. https://anzn.to/2mfajxq